नहमदुहु नसल्ली अला रसूलिल करीम अम्मा बाद फ़ाऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम. Dear audience of all the world, Assalamu alaikum. Today we want to discuss the rural works program which was held in Pakistan. This program was first started in East Pakistan on the location of Comila. His leader name was Akhthar Khameed Khan. He was a very interesting personality and he worked hard, and they have prepared this project, and at this time Akhthar Khameed Khan was the employee of Rural Academy. So who initiated the project? And this project major objective was that how to increase the productivity of agriculture, because there in rural area in summer the flood was more, and in winter the water there was shortage. So they have best try how to make the wall to protect the water which not create problem for the farming community. So they have tried best and they have worked and they have found huge success. But later on this program was extended to West Pakistan, and they have also worked there, and they have solved different problems, repaired the roads and convert some road to metal roads. It was 700 miles. And they have run 60,000 project. So the most work they have done in the communication sector. In education, they have done 21%, but in sanitation, they have worked 16%. So this program position in West Pakistan was bad due to political interference. They want to make the road or create a project in that area which they are needed. But there, the people who were influential, so they want to run this program there. So due to this, the inequality created in that area, and the objective were not gained in West Pakistan. But this program was very successful in East Pakistan. It was the era of Ayub Khan. This program have worked till 68, but later on the people have created a problem and political interference started, and the people come on the road and they start the strike, and through this way they disturb the government of the Ayub Khan. So in his period they have worked more, but later on when the interference and the political disturbance started, so the program have not worked there, because there were differences among the East Pakistan and West Pakistan. Later on in 1969, the Ayub Khan resigned from the presidentship and they have handed over the government to Yahya Khan. Yahya Khan in 1970, they have processed the election, held the election, and Bhutto won 80 seats in West Pakistan, but Mujibur Rahman won the seat 160 in East Pakistan. So it was the right of the Mujibur Rahman to govern over the country. But the disturbance created between Zulfikar Ali Bhutto and Mujibur Rahman, and there some interference also occur from India, as well as there was one group, his name was Mukti Bani. So they have also tried and they attacked on Pakistan army. And the war started in 1971, and India take interference and they reach to the ground and they capture 90,000 soldiers of the West Pakistan. So they were sent to the jail, but later on Bhutto have tried and they have released from the prison. So Bhutto is also appreciated, but the major thing which was in the running position from the beginning, it was the disturbance between East Pakistan and West Pakistan, and the West Pakistan not gave right to the East Pakistan, and they called it that they are the black and their personality are not good and their height is very low. So because of this, the disturbance occur, and day by day the violence increases, and in the last run the war started, and at last we have lost the East Pakistan, and now we only run the Pakistan name is only the West Pakistan. So this program have also worked in different area of the Pakistan. They have created different projects, and through different projects they have solved the school building problem, road construction, and market to crop, particular wheat and cotton. They have tried to make the road to those two crops because they want to solve the problem of the food. So this program was very good, and this program was run till to 1984 in West Pakistan, because East Pakistan was separated from us in 1971. So now there are so many programs which are running in Pakistan, but if they not work and their objective is not set, and they not provide fund to this program, because of this they have not achieved the objective of this. So it was a short video which I have today deliver to the community to know that when the program of rural program was launched in 1962, it was launched, and then it finished to 1972 in both wing, but in Pakistan it have worked till 1984. So this program have played great role in the development of Pakistan, and they have increased the agricultural productivity, as well as they have developed the marketing for the crops. So I request to every country, when you want to make the project, this is your responsibility to go here and there, survey the whole country and check the situation, what are the deficiency, and how much fund we have to run different, how much fund we will take a loan from the other country of the world, and how to increase the benefit of the program. Not only few people utilize the fund and they get the benefits, and the poor people have no access. So every program major objective is that how to decrease the poverty in the country. But in the last run they run the program, but the party based government, they give post to their wisher, and they not run the program for the development of the country. So I request to all community members, when you want to develop Pakistan, so this is your duty to not do the war, not fighting with one another, and when you win the election, this is your responsibility to achieve the objective of the country. What type of problem are there and how to solve this problem and how to increase the productivity of the country and how to enlarge the industry of the country and how to invite the investor to the country and how to provide peace to the country. Through this way, the investor will come to our country, and in the long run, they will generate the employment, and our country people will not go outside from the country, and because of this, the income level of the people will be increasing, and then they will work for the Pakistan, but they not work in other country of the world. So it is the duty of everyone which live in Pakistan. So work for Pakistan and never attack on Pakistan, and help the army sector as well as the government sector, and through this way solve the problem of the rural community, but not create problem as well as the fighting and war in the country. So it was few sentences I have told to you, and you have listened these things and you analyze the situation, how to develop the Pakistan.